Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. Today, we will study chapter 10 of English language. The name of our chapter is Contractions. What is a contraction? Contraction क्या होता है, children? A contraction is a shortened word made by putting two words together. It means, children, when we make one word from two words, that is known as contraction in short form. अगर जब हम दो वर्ड्स को मिलाकर एक वर्ड फॉर्म करते हैं कुछ अल्फाबेट्स को रिमूव करके, then that word is known as contraction, children. Clear? Let us see an example. U plus R. Here you can see that U and R are two different words. ये दोनों words अलग अलग हैं. तो what I have done here, मैंने यहाँ पे एक alphabet remove किया है. I have removed one alphabet from here. Which alphabet? R. So now it became your. You are. So what it has become now? You are. A is silent. Clear, children? A is silent. And the place where I have removed an alphabet, वो जगह जहाँ से मैंने एक alphabet remove किया है, उसकी जगह मैंने क्या पुट कर दिया? Apostrophe. क्या पुट कर दिया? Apostrophe. Clear, children? Remember, the apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. Now, one question comes in our mind कि हम apostrophe में हम कहाँ पर लगाएंगे? हम apostrophe वहाँ पर लगाते हैं जहाँ से हमने alphabet को remove किया है. The place from where we have removed the alphabet, at that place we will put an apostrophe. Clear, children? Next example. You are a wonderful person. So you can see here, children, I have used the contraction form of U plus R here. So now it has become, क्या बन गया यहाँ पे? You are a wonderful person. Clear? Next example. That plus is. So children, that is a separate word and is a separate word. It means that or is अलग अलग दो words हैं. Now I will make one word from these two words. अब मैं फिर से इन दो words को मिलाकर एक single word बनाती हूँ. That is, we call this that's. What do we call? That's. हम क्या बोलेंगे? That's. कैसे बनाइए that's? Contraction form. ये दोनों words की कैसे बनी? I have removed I from the second word. मैंने I को second word में से remove कर दिया. I alphabet को remove कर दिया और उसकी जगह क्या लगा? Apostrophe. तो अभी क्या बन गया? Now what it has become? That's. So this is the contraction form. See this example, children, of it. That's a car. So here, that's a car. Next example. We plus will. Here also we and will are two different words. We or will be दो different अलग-अलग words हैं. So again I will make one word from these two. Wheel. You say wheel. We will. So here also I am removing W from the second word and putting apostrophe here. So now we plus will. Contraction form में क्या बन गया? We will. Clear? See, will go to the zoo. Next, I plus have. So two different words again. ये दोनों भी अलग-अलग words हैं. So contraction form में now See carefully, children. Now what I have done, I have removed two alphabets, H and A. So इन दोनों की जगह मैंने क्या लगा दिया? Apostrophe. So now what is the contraction form? I plus have की क्या बनी contraction form? What it has become now, children? I. What it has become? I. See, I got the teddy with me. Clear? Next, I plus would. Again, two different words, children. So here I am going to remove 4 alphabets from the second word, which यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने WOUL मैंने ये 4 alphabets को remove कर दिया और इसकी जगह क्या लगा दिया? Apostrophe. I have put apostrophe. So now the contraction form of I plus would is I. What do we say? I'd. See the example. I'd study hard. Clear? Remember, children, some contractions are formed by putting a verb with the word not. Some contractions are there, children, which are formed by putting a verb with the word not. हम verb के साथ जब not लगा देते हैं तब भी हमारे कुछ short forms बनती है. It means you can, in other words, you can say contractions are made. Let us see some. Can plus not. So two different words. So what will become? क्या हमारी contraction form बनेगी? These two words से can't. So always when the second word is not, so we will remove the alphabet O from the word not. Always we will remove only O, and in place of O we will put apostrophe. So the word will become can't. See here, children, यहाँ पे भी मैंने क्या करा है? Alphabet O को हटा दिया है, remove कर दिया है. इसकी जगह मैंने O को किससे replace किया है? Apostrophe से. Now can plus not has become can't. Contraction form is can't. See, we can't go out to play as it is raining outside. हम बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि बारिश हो रही है. Clear, children? Next, is plus not. Same here, two different words. Here also I have removed only and put apostrophe. Now, is plus not is equal to isn't. Contraction form of is and not is isn't. Isn't that your dog? Next, are plus not. Same here, children. Are and not are two different words. ये दोनों अलग अलग हैं. इनकी contraction form क्या बनी? Aren't. See, they aren't snakes. It means ये snakes नहीं है. What are these? Can you tell me? आप बता सकते हैं क्या हैं? These are caterpillars, children. So now the contraction form I have used in this sentence aren't. Do plus not. So do plus not. So in the word not I have removed O again. So it become don't. What it has become now, children? Don't. I don't like apples. Clear? Verb plus not. So two different words. ये दोनों words भी अलग अलग है. तो contraction form क्या बनी? O में से क्या आपको remove करना है? O को remove करना है ना not में से. So और उसकी जगह क्या आपको लगाना है? Apostrophe. So it will become weren't. They weren't playing in the park. Children, let us see some more contractions here. Does plus not. Contraction of does plus not is doesn't. Was plus not. Contraction form is wasn't. Were plus not. Weren't. Did plus not. Contraction form is didn't. Clear, children? Contractions are, I hope contractions are clear to everyone. Now let us do some small exercise based on this. Fill in the blanks with isn't or aren't. Children, remember, I have told you previously also that is used when we are talking about only one, and are is used with when we are talking about more than one. Clear? जब हम एक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तब हम is use करते हैं, और जब हम एक से ज्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं then when we use aren't. Clear? Now let's do the exercise. He dash the plumber. He is the gardener. In this sentence, he is a pronoun and it is used for only one. So what I will use here? Tell me, children. Isn't. He isn't the plumber. He is the gardener. Those birds are sitting. They dash flying. So here they is used for more than one. So what I will use here? Isn't or aren't? Aren't. Very good. They aren't flying. Next, we are playing. We dash studying. We is also used for more than one. So what I will use here? Aren't. We aren't studying. She is a doctor. She dash a nurse. So she is used for only one person. So I'll use isn't. Clear, children? I hope this exercise is clear to you. So next exercise, children. Rewrite the sentences using the negative short forms of the underlined words. In these sentences, children, some words are underlined. In each sentence, one word is underlined, children. एक word underline है. आपको क्या करना है? आपको उस word की negative form use करनी है in sentences में. Clear, children? Let's go through. The girls are laughing loudly. So we have to use the negative form of are. So what it will become now? The girls aren't laughing loudly. Clear, children? She did enjoy her trip to Japan. So she didn't enjoy her trip to Japan. It is a black bear. So is, we have to make the negative form of is. It will become it isn't a black bear. Clear, children? Next, she does like to play in the park. So does is underlined word here. So what it will become now? She doesn't like to play in the park. I hope, children, contractions are clear to you. You all have understood the exercises well. So revise this video thoroughly again and again, children. Thank you.